Hey y'all, Joseph here. So just over 24 hours ago, I uploaded video number 8, and in that video, there is a mistake. So I wanted to get this video out just as soon as possible to show the correction. So let's take a look here what I'm talking about. So the error occurred when I was doing a demo of how the traditional tiles are laid. What I have here is an old door from the house that I'm going to use as a surface that acts as the roof. Now, the first layer of tiles in video number 8 were laid correctly with the narrow side pointing to the edge of the roof and the large side pointing to the peak of the roof. It was the second layer of tiles where I made the mistake. I should have laid it with the narrow side of the tile pointing upwards, like that, and then stacked in this manner, going all the way up to the peak of the roof. We have another one here. Hopefully these stay on this door. Okay, so this is the correct way that the tile should be laid. At the point where I do the demo, I will put a link in the video that points to the correction here. And I want to apologize to all those that already saw video number 8. And you know, we all make mistakes. So thanks to you that pointed it out. And that's all we have today. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.